Hey everybody, Tony Pellegrino with GenRight Off-Road, and this is the highly anticipated 392 build on our EXS chassis. We finished this up at the end of March, and here it is. I've just finished all the test drives, and I want to do a quick walk around and show you all the highlights on this build. Okay, if you're not familiar with our EXS chassis, this is a 3-link front and double triangulated 4-link rear with a completely flat belly on a brand new frame. It also includes a built-in front bumper. We've put on a worn 10S winch on here, the Xeon winch, and our Fairlead and some aftermarket lights. Of course, this has the 392 HEMI engine in it with Jeep's awesome 8-speed transmission. Underneath, we've got Curry 70 axles front and rear, along with our GenRight high steer and RCV axle shafts in the front. Of course, this suspension features the King 3-inch internal bypass coilover shock and a 2-inch air bump. Everybody's big concern with a build on 40-inch tires is that when it comes to a tight canyon, that the vehicle won't handle anymore. We've already proven over and over again, but this is the after. We did it before, now we're doing an after of our 392 EXS build on 40-inch tires. So we're going to take a rip through box skating. A lot of these turns are 15 mile an hour recommended turns, so we're already doing double that. We've upgraded the steering, so this is a RAM assist steering that's got a lot of our special components in it, and the response is excellent. This chassis also has a special version of our rockers, the frame mounted rockers. These are 250 wall, and they include an extra skid plate right here on the bottom. The EXS chassis features a completely flat belly with a 70/75 aluminum skid plate. Of course, for this build, we chose Mickey Thompson Baja Boss MT mud terrain tires and Innovate wheels. These are really nice forged wheels. We've got R1 brakes that are blue anodized all the way around to match the King shocks. This build also got our 26-gallon fuel tank with an aluminum skid plate. The nice part about how we did these shock towers is that you're able to keep all the factory interior, just make some minor trims, and everything goes right back in. We installed a Rocco Road air system under the seat. This Jeep also got an 8-button switch pro to control all the electronics.